Handicap 26 for Just Do Repairs and Hobbies. And we have two oxygen regulators here. I'll tell you the difference pretty well quickly. The one on the right is the new style, which is when you put it on the oxygen tank and you put a hose or a cannula up to it. Only when you breathe in, you get oxygen. It's not a free flowing. And you set it from over here for the liters you need. On the left, conversely, this is a free-flowing regulator. And what happens with this is you put it on, put the cannula on, open it up, the tank at the top, and you get oxygen continually, which I prefer actually better than the one on the right here, because the one on the right feels like you're getting no oxygen, only when you breathe in. So this is the free-flowing. This is the old style. This is the new style. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Have a great day. Thank you, and God bless. Bye for now.